Okay, now I'm going to SSH to my instance. For that, I'm going to copy this public IPv4. Then using the mobile system, I'm going to SSH to my instance. Okay, so let's just SSH in here, which is the front end, right? Okay, the front end. So for that, go to my EC2, click on the front end, click on this public IPv4. Then in here, what I can do, just stop all of this, just remove all of them. Okay, so now what I can do, click on the SSH, we remove host, then in the specify, I'm going to the Ubuntu, then advanced settings, I'm going to specify the entire that I created. I click on OK. Okay, after that, what we did in the slides, let's see. After SSH to this server, what I did will the to the database server to connect from the front end. For that, if I go to my database, I will see an endpoint for which endpoint I can telnet. Okay, so let's see if I can able to connect to my database from here. So see the endpoint, copy this one in here. Okay, telnet, then the database endpoint, and the port, which is the 3306. Hit enter. Okay, so it's where the MySQL database password. So it's connected. See, it's connected from here. Okay, stop this.